warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. As promised, this video I am going to discuss another tutorial question for July 2021. But this time, this is set number 2. Alright. Okay, for set number 2, resident status, as usual, I want you to refer to questions number 1D. So before we proceed with this question, always read the required. Okay, look at the required here. Determine the resident status of Carlos for YA 2016 until YA 2020. So your answer should start with 2016, ends with 2020. Support your answer with the relevant sections and also reason. So as usual, everyone, I want you to provide 6 columns here. YA, period of stays, number of days, status, section and reason. More space for reason. Okay, next. Right, let's take a look on our question. Carlos. So Carlos, he is a chef from Africa, signed a contract with Hotel La Costa, located in Janda by Ahang, since June 2016. So, first sentence is telling us a few information. The first one is we know that Carlos is not Malaysian, but does that mean that he is non-resident? You know that the resident status is determined by looking at how many days you stay in Malaysia. Okay, and then the first time he came to Malaysia, June 2016, because he started working at Hotel La Costa. So this is Malaysia. Alright. Okay, next. He received his employment income on monthly basis. Carlos has never been in Malaysia before joining Hotel La Costa, and his pattern of stay in Malaysia are as follows. So the second sentence confirmed that he was never been in Malaysia before he started working June 2016. So this is a very important information in case if you want to use section 7 subsection 1C and D. Okay, next. And then you look at here, this is period of stay 2016 until 2020, but we have note number 1 and notes number 2. So it is better for us to identify whether notes number 1 and 2 are TA or not. Okay, look at here, number 1. Carlos left Malaysia for his medical treatment, meaning to say he was sick, from 18 April 2016 until 17 July 2016. Meaning to say the reason he was not in Malaysia because of he was sick. So seeking treatment outside Malaysia, this one confirm. This is TA. Alright, okay, so note number 1, this is TA. Okay, note number 2. He left Malaysia for social visit starting from 18 December 2016 until 31st December 2016. Very clear cut here, social visit. So you know that social visit in Malaysia must not more than 14 days, isn't it? So let's calculate. Okay, social visit equals to 31. You minus with 18. Don't forget to plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So here plus 1 equals to how many days? Okay, let's compute 31 minus 18 plus 1. I got here 14 days. Exactly 14 days. Because this one exactly 14 days, confirm. This is also TA under category of social visit. Alright. Okay, next. Okay, let's identify one by one starting from 2016. Okay, 2016, be careful guys, because we have 2 TA, note number 1 and notes number 2. Alright, so 2016 here. Okay, starting from, what do we have? 20th March until 17th April. Okay, record here. 20th March until 17th April. Followed by, okay, and then we have note number 1. Okay, continue. 18 April until 17 July. Okay, this is TA. Followed by, okay, look at here, 18 July until 31st December. But be careful, because somewhere in this period is our TA. Isn't it? Okay, TA start from 18 December. So meaning to say you should record here 18 July until before 18 December is 17 December. Okay, last but not least is our TA, 18 December until end of the year 31st December. Okay, done. Alright, next. Let's compute our number of days. Okay, if you compute number of days, everyone, start from the first row. Okay, first row, starting from 20th March until 17th April. Isn't it? Okay, this is not at the beginning of March. So how do we compute? Okay, March 31 days. You minus 20 and then plus 1. And then plus April 17 days plus 17. So you got here 29 days. Alright? Okay, next. This is our TA. Isn't it? Okay, how do we compute TA? Okay, TA here start from 18 April. So April 30 minus 18 plus 1. May 31. June 30, July until 17. So I got here 91 days. Please put in bracket here TA. Okay, next. Continue. 18 July until 17 December. Okay, how do we compute? Okay, July 31 minus 18 plus 1. August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and then December plus 17 days. So the total is 153. Okay, next. The last one is our TA, isn't it? Okay, how do we compute? Okay, this one 18 December until 31 December. So 31, you minus 18, you plus 1. So you will get here 14 days. So don't forget to put in bracket TA. Alright? Okay, next. Total up number of days. Everyone, every time you total up number of days, do not include TA. TA is meant for link 2 and link 1. We are not doing link 2 or link 1 right now. So exclude the TA. 29 plus 153, then you will get exactly 182. This is very dangerous if you wrongly calculated your number of days. Okay, so exactly 182. Very obvious. This is resident under section 7, subsections 1A. So the reason is stay in Malaysia for at least 182 days. Okay, done for 2016. Okay, continue 2017. 2017, what do we have here? Okay, we have here is 1st January until 28th January. That's it. Isn't it? So record here. So 1st January until 28th January, very obvious 28 days. Alright? Okay, one by one. Try A. Can we use section 7, section 1A? No, this is less than 182. Isn't it? Okay, try B. B, we have two options. Link 2 or link 1. Try link 1 first. Okay. First condition. Make sure that we have at least 1 day in January 2017. In fact, he stayed in Malaysia for more than 1 day in January. Isn't it? Okay, first condition, satisfied. Alright, next. Reverse back 2016. The first date is you should find whether do we have 31st December or not. This is the bridge. This is very important. Okay, second condition, do we have 31st December? Actually, no. But the reason he was not in Malaysia due to TA. Now we are doing limbai. We can accept TA, isn't it? But condition to use TA is you need to check. Before and after TA, stay physically in Malaysia. Okay, so TA start 18 December. So before 18 is 17. Present in Malaysia? Yes, present in Malaysia. Okay, last TA, 31st December. So after 31st December is 1st January 2008. Present in Malaysia? Yes, present in Malaysia. So we accept this TA. Okay, alright. So now second condition we have 31st December. Okay, next. I want 182 days consecutively. Okay, one by one. Make sure period consecutive. Okay, 18 December to 31 December, 14 days, not enough. Okay, what should we do? Okay, go up here. Make sure period consecutive dulu. Okay, 17 to 18, consecutive, right? Okay, how many days here? 18 until 70, 158. So how many days we got? 153 plus 14. 167. Not enough. Okay, go up here. Alright. So, make sure period consecutive. 17 to 18 consecutive. However, this is TA. And you know that before you can apply this TA, you need to check before and after TA physically present in Malaysia. Let's check it out. Okay. TA start 18 April. So before 18, 17 April present in Malaysia. Okay, last TA 17 July. So after 17 July, 18 July, right? Okay, present in Malaysia. So we accept this TA. Okay, how many days this TA guys? 91 days. Okay, 167 plus 91 days. Okay, we got more than 182, isn't it? That's why 2017, the answer is resident. Under section 7, subsection 1B. Okay, how do we give reason? Stay in Malaysia less than 182 days. But the period is linked by, which YA? 2016 here. For a period of 182 days consecutively. Okay, done for 2017. Okay, next. 2018. Okay, 15 June until 20th September. Okay, record here. Okay, calculate number of days everyone. Okay, here is 15 June, right? Okay, June 30 minus 15 plus 1. July 31, August 31, and then September until 20th. Okay, you will get 98 days. Okay, obviously, 98 days, guys. We cannot use A, isn't it? Okay, how about link by? Okay, link by, condition number 1. Do we have at least one day in January? No. Link 2, condition number 1. Do we have at least one day in December? No. Okay, try C. First condition, stay in Malaysia at least 90 days? Yes. But we need 3 out of 4, isn't it? Okay, 3 out of 4. Starting from 2017 resident, yes, we got 1. 2016 resident, yes, we got 2. But do we have 2015? No, isn't it? So we cannot use C. Okay, last option. How about D? Okay, D. One of the question of D is 3 immediate preceding years must be resident. So 3, starting from what do we have here? 17 resident, 16 resident, but we don't have 15. So don't waste your time. The answer here is non-resident. Okay, so for non-resident, no need to provide section, no need to provide reason. Enough if you give me status. You will get 1 tick here. Alright, done for 2018. Okay, next, moving on to 2019. So 2019, 7 August until 17 November. Okay, record here. Okay, calculate August 31 minus 7 plus 1. And then September 30. October 31. And then November until 17. So I got here is 103 days. Okay, so 103 days. Okay, one by one, everyone. Start again from A. Can we use A? No. How about link by? Do we have January? No. Can we use link 2? Do we have December? No. How about C? Okay, C, Condition number 1. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. In fact, we have more than 90 days. Okay, first condition, satisfied. Second condition, 3 out of 4 immediate preceding year must be resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, look at here. Okay, immediate you cannot skip. Okay, this is 19, start from 2018. Is it resident? No. However, the condition is either one. Resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, look at here. Number of days is 98, more than 90. Isn't it? Okay, we accept 2018. Okay, 1. Okay, 2017 resident. Okay, we got 2. 2016 also resident. Okay, now we have 3, isn't it? That's why 2019, the answer is resident. Section 7, subsection 1C. Okay, how do we provide the reason? Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Remember guys, common mistake made by the student. Student write here as more than. More than is wrong. The correct answer, the correct term is at least. Okay, and 3 out of 4 immediate. The word immediate is very important. You must write it in your answer. Okay, 30 out of 4 immediate preceding years. What was the YA? 18, 17 and 16. Are either resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Alright, done for 2019. Last but not least is YA 2020. Okay, 2020, what do we have here? 1st January until 30th April. Okay, 1st January until 30th April. Guys, 2020 is a leap year. So, our February is 29. Alright, okay, so here start from 1st January. So, January 31 days, February 29, March 31, April until 30. Okay, plus 30. So, you will get here 121 days. Alright. Okay, try A. Can we use A? No. Can we use link by? Do we have at least one day in January? Yes, but you reverse back 2019. Do we have 31st December? No. Okay, we cannot use link by. How about link 2? Do we even have next year? No. So skip link 2. So next, how about C? Okay, first condition for C. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Do we have 90? Yes, in fact, more than 90. And 30 out of 4 preceding years. Let's check it out. Okay. 2019 resident? Yes, we got one. 2018 resident? No, but remember, see, we have option at least 90 days. Okay, we accept 2018. Okay, I need one more. 2017 resident? Yes, and that's why 2020, the answer is resident under section 7, subsections 1C. Okay, how do we give reason? Same as 2019. Okay, stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. And 3 out of 4 immediate preceding year, you must mention which YA. The YA was 19, 18 and 17 are either resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Alright? Okay, I guess I finished with July 2021. Okay, this is set number 2. Okay, set number 2 for Mr. Carlos. Alright? Okay, please try this question everyone and all the best to you guys.